Finance Practice Exercises 27B. So this is another amortization table, and we see our student loan principal is $77,968.75 with a rate of 5.95, and the monthly payment is $825.08. And like we said before, you may want to, if you have the capability in your calculator, store that monthly payment in there, as you will need to type that amount repeatedly, at least 3 times in this particular problem. Okay, so to get the monthly interest, recall that we take the principal times the rate times the 1/12. Okay, so when we do that, we are going to get the following amount, and I'm going to go ahead and erase how I just got that. You're going to get $321.62. Now we're saying of our monthly payment, this right here is how much of it is interest. So to figure out how much of this monthly payment is principal, surely you understand we will subtract the $825.08 minus $321.62, and we will get $503.46. So with your monthly payment, this is how much you're paying down on that student loan principal. So I will take the $77,968.75, and I will subtract from it this $503.46. So our new balance is $77,465.29. Okay, so this becomes our new principal for our next calculation of the interest. So we have $77,465.29 times our rate times our time, which is 1 month. That's why it's 1/12. Okay, so I put all of that in my calculator, and I end up getting $319.54. So this is the interest portion of my monthly payment. So I will take that monthly payment and subtract $319.54 from it, and I get $505.54. That's my payment on the principal. All right, so then to get our balance of the loan after month 2, I will simply subtract my payment on principal from the balance of my loan, and I get $76,959.75, which becomes our new principal. So I have that new balance times my rate times my time, which is 1 month, and I put that in my calculator, and I get $317.46. Again, as we've done the last 2 times, I will take my monthly payment, subtract this amount of it, which is interest, and I get $507.62. I take this amount here, subtract it from my previous balance of loan, and I get $76,452.13.